What is in the bag, right? This is the Peak Design 3-liter bag that when you're trekking through the mountains and trying to take gear with you is a great little bag that you can carry. And as you can see how small it is, it's perfect for using for the new videos that we're doing. So as you know, we started a new series, Thriving Over 50, which is actually a show, an episodic show. We're gonna be using what's in this bag to shoot that show. We're also gonna, obviously we have some cameras that we can use, but I don't wanna be in the jungles of Colombia on the beach with an A7 IV that I have that I'm shooting this overhead with, or the A7S III. We want portable cameras. So this is a bag we're gonna be using. We have experimented with the A7 or the 5-liter, just a little too big. As you see, I put it on. I want non-discreet. I don't want people to be seeing filming and things that's going on. I want nothing as I'm traveling. And so this is just a little big, though I do really like the bag. Some things outside of the bag before we get into that we're gonna use is the Peak Design carbon fiber tripod. I absolutely love this thing. You can put it right on the bottom of the bag and take it with you. Again, not an everyday carry, something that we'll have available to us. And then obviously some smaller tripods that we don't carry in the bag but have with us. Some external stuff that's really important that you can kind of see that we're using is the DJI Pocket 3. This is on a gimbal, so it's really good for walking and doing some video. Comes with a really small case. Again, only on specific things. I'm going to show you the gear that we're carrying every day. But it is nice to have to get some quick gimbal shots if you're using it. And then a couple other devices that we'll be using is some drone shots, some basic drone footage coming from the smaller DJIs, which are just, you can carry them and capable to use until it gets lost in the jungle, which it will at some point. But that is going to go with us. And then the GoPro is also really good for underwater surfing, those type of shots, which we'll be getting in the Thriving Under 50 series. So we'll be using this camera too. But let's go ahead and get right into the bag. I think Peak Design did a great job with this bag. It's got a front pocket. You can throw some stuff in. Right now there's just a USB-C cable in here that we're utilizing. But that's a nice little pocket. And you can see I got it pretty well filled up in here. And when we open it up, the first thing you're going to notice is the main cameras that are easy to just grab and go. These are the two main cameras that we're going to be using for the majority of the things shot on this channel. It's an Action camera. Yes, it's a DJI Action 6. I really do like this camera. It's easy to use. It has open gate, meaning I can shoot social media shots and also landscape shots, which is great. It is the main camera that I use. Massive SD card in there so I can shoot a lot of footage. Extra batteries I'll show you in a minute. And then the Nano, this is a really cool camera that we use for close-ups and stuff. This is our close-ups for smaller shots, like stuff in a plant or hidden. It just is a great camera because it's so small. It does have this backing video area here where you can watch what you're doing, but it's really meant to be used detached. It just really works real well for that. So we'll be using these two cameras primarily on most of our shoots, and I just shot it right now just to kind of show you the difference between, the A7 V, which I have up here, and the A7 III. So look at how small these things are compared to a traditional camera. And again, I'll show you some of the stuff we're using. Okay, so we'll put these here. So again, the little pocket just folds up. And then underneath that pocket, I have all kinds of different connectors for these two cameras. This one is a stickable one that's got a little curve on it that you can use. And then we have a screw one that you can use with any typical normal camera mount, which is always nice. There is a suction cup mount, which is great. I'll show you that in a minute. And this is a little clip-on magnetic that's really another nice mount for the camera. And so we have multiple mounts in here. And some of the stuff I really like, I'll show you in a second, is again another mount that is a GoPro mount that you can click into any of the GoPro accessories. Okay, over here, let me see if I pull it out. I have a small tripod. And what's cool about this tripod is you can take it off and you can also use it with the sticky suction cup. So you can put it on a window or something if you're in a car. And that way you've got plenty of mounting options here for the camera. And everything is organized real well in the bag. And also in the bag on that side, we're empty. Now on this side, we have something that's really important. That is, first of all, the batteries for the Action 6. So we've got a battery bank of 3 extra batteries. But this is the Mic 3. And what's cool about these cameras is when you open up these little case, these little microphones are great, especially with the little wind muff on them. They connect directly to the camera, which allows us to get great audio, which is very important to me. And that goes along with these two little dangly necklace things. So this first one I really like, and I'll show you this because we can just take a microphone and we can just throw it right on this, right on the necklace. I got it backwards here. Let me flip it over. And now you've got your good microphone right on you. It's magnetic, so you can see these are magnetic. So they have clips, but I really like just a magnetic, put it on, and you're ready to go. Very versatile, very quick. And again, you're automatically connected to your camera. So if you're just holding your camera, you're getting this audio, which is substantially better than from the camera. Even though these have pretty good audio, you know, it's a great little tool to have. And we have two of them in case we ever do interviews or we want to connect with other people. You have it right here. And this kit will actually connect to our A7 III and our A7 V. The other cool thing is this necklace thing here is another necklace kind of piece that you can stick on. And basically what you do is these cameras are magnetic. So you can literally do a point of view here with this camera just by sticking it there. It's magnetically on. It's not going anywhere. And this allows you to do different types of shots. Obviously, if you want to do point of view, a lot of people like the, you can also put it on this thing here and use the magnet there, which gives you some other angles to shoot, which is like the cap holder that is magnet. Again, kind of cool, nondescript. People don't see you, you have your camera, you can do the shooting that you want to do without being intrusive. That's why I really like that. I don't need to be holding up a big camera, walking through Columbia, you know, announcing that I'm shooting video. I want to keep things discreet and simple, and that's where these tools come in. Okay, and then a couple other cool things in the, we'll put that back on there on the Nano, in the case are, these are filters. So these are ND filters. For those of you that do video, you know, it's like putting sunglasses on your camera. These are obviously for this DJI Action 6, and then these are for the Nano. And you can screw these on, and basically what it is it's just like it's like sunglasses for your camera. So if you put this on, you just put that on, and you can see now I've got a dark. So when you're out in the sun on the beach, it really allows you to get better footage out of the Action camera. So that's everything that I really need to do full shooting within this bag. You can see I've got everything here that I really need to grab and go. If I'm going to do some other filming or other things, then I can grab another bag, my tripods and stuff. But this really works for me for a quick, you know, grab and go. The video quality might not be as cinematic or as great as the A7S III or the A7 V, but again, it's more about being able to document, you know, at 57 the things that I'm doing, and also be able to connect with you and show you the things we're doing. It's more about the story and the stuff we're doing. Yes, we want to make it great, but it's easier to carry this type of gear around than it is these big cameras that obviously take up so much space and are great quality, but add a layer of complexity to everything you're doing. So a lot of people ask, what is in the bag? We've got a few more months yet. We're preparing, we're getting everything ready, still making things happen here in the States, and then we're gonna be heading out. So as always, if you really like what we're doing here, make sure you subscribe. We've got our new shows. We've got Profiles in Success, which we're using Riverside for. It's great. We're having Morning Coach people on. It's just really been fun. And then we've got Thriving Over 50, which is a new series probably every week. I don't want to commit to that right now because we've got a lot going on, but that's going to grow into a show for everybody that's really looking for identity before action and doing cool stuff. And then we're going to show you some of the behind the scenes. Instagram, Morning Coach, you want to see a lot of the behind the scenes stuff. That's a great place to connect with us. So as always, hey, thanks for being here. I appreciate you. It is about living your best life. That's what we do at Morning Coach and with this channel. And I really believe in demonstrating that, like showing that and showing the philosophies and the systems in our books. They actually work. And all you got to do is start to apply those things, and it's amazing the type of things you can do. So really cool. That is my kit for travel, and that is the kit that we're going to be using for Thriving Over 50, even here in the States. So I wanted to get that video out. Until the next one, I love you. Thanks for being a part of everything we do here at Morning Coach.